Hey guys, video on 6.4. This is along with 6.3, one of those things where you can see how powerful statistics can be, and when they're, specifically targeting certain phenomena. So this would be targeting when we have like defects or things that we don't want included, and we want to know the probability that one of these bad things or how many of these bad things happen. Or so let's just jump in. Like I said, this is the last bit of chapter 6. Um, it's called the hypergeometric probability distribution. That's probably the scariest thing you've ever seen, but don't worry, it's not too bad. We're only going to need to know one formula, and that's how to calculate the mean. Um, so let's see. Okay, so essentially what we're looking for are things that we don't want. Okay. So let's go to question 2. Here's a perfect example, right? Um, so a manufacturer receives an order of 250 computer chips. 9 of the chips are defective. That's the bad part. So that's what we have to sort of factor in. To test the shipment, the quality control randomly selects 78 chips from the box and of the 250 and tests them. The random variable X represents the number of defective chips. So that's going to be hypergeometric. In the next one, I'll show you how to calculate it. Okay. So for this one, you can kind of use this question 3, go back to question 2, and they should have been ordered different. Well, who cares? It's not a big deal. Okay, get more help. Statcrunch. Okay. Oh, of course. This is when it wants to bug out. Let's see. Come on, Statcrunch. Why are you not opening? I might have to log in, which is a pain, but let's see. Please, Statcrunch work. Please. It worked. Okay, I don't know why it does that sometimes. All right. Hit stat, calculators, hypergeometric. So little n is now big N. So we're going to put a 130 here. Okay. A little n is now m in this calculator. So we're going to put 22. K is 29. And we're calculating the probability that x equals 9. So hit change less than or equal to equals, change 2 to 9, hit compute, and that's our probability. Okay. Question 4. This is asking us to calculate the mean, and I'll write that. The mean is big N over little n times k. Okay, that will be your mean. So that's all you have to do. This is a pretty simple section. So this one, calculate the mean. Okay. Question 6. Um, so now we have to apply this. Okay, so let's see. We have to go into Statcrunch. We're testing. This is kind of like the question we skipped, question 2. So we're testing 295 chips. We know we want to see the where's it asking for probability? We're asking to see the probability that we select 5, so the 5 goes here. Okay. 12 of the chips are defective, and we're testing 21. Okay, so 12, 21, and that gives us the probability. Okay. Same thing here. Same idea, rather. We have a potential juror pool of 45, so that's our big number. three, three of the 45 are potential who would never be willing to convict a person. If you want to go see a good movie, check out juror number two. This is sort of that situation where they pick jurors. And so this is where it gets a little tricky. So we're interested in picking 12 people. We want to know the probability that it's greater than zero, meaning the probability that there's sort of this hung jury. And if you calculate that, you get this number right here. Okay. So that is it, guys. Really short sections towards the end of chapter 6. And I hope this helps. So good luck. Thank you.